Hey guys, this is a 2023 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate package. Present you from Real Deal Auto. Did have a little bit of front end damage, rebuilt title, all fixed up. This has the Durmax Diesel motor, highly sought after. This is wrapped white, black. Black is the original paint color. It's got the TVs in the back. So, all your heated and cooled seats. Wireless phone charging. 29,030 miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, heads-up display. All your four-wheel drive. It's got the extra tow package on it. Camera, rear view mirror. Heated steering wheel. Navigation. Upgraded Bose sound system. This does have massage seats. This turns on your massage. Ultimate badging. Number. Captain seats, TVs, all your HDMI, rear controls here, 3 passengers here in the back. Big panoramic sunroof, power running boards. The sticker can be taken off. There is a hitch back behind here. Power lift gate. Power fold. Is it a past alignment? Smart key, remote start. This does have a 360 camera. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.